all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be a beautiful collections of party wear sarees. We have some lovely crepe and chiffon sarees in that very lovely designs in the blouses, grand blouses you have for all these sarees. It's going to be an awesome collection. All the sarees are simple hand wash maintenance sarees. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is such a lovely crepe silk material in dual tone, completely a weaved pattern. This is jacquard weaving. Both the sides we have a beautiful golden zari border, and throughout the body it's a self-weaved jacquard weaving completely in dual tone. So the saree looks really class. It's all more of a function wear or a party wear saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the saree has a very beautiful blouse. This is the blouse of the saree with jacquard weaving and a golden you could have a closer look. It's all completely weaved one, and the price of this saree is 1760. This is such a lovely wow saree, beautiful color, a royal blue with a pink color combination, the zari border. Very beautiful one, and throughout the body you could see a self weaving running along the body, all dual tone. Looks really class, and the material is crepe silk material. This is the pallu, and a very class blouse for this saree. All grand blouses. So this is how the blouse, very pretty one, and the price of this saree is 1760. This is such a beautiful combo, light it's more of a pinkish maroon shade with a bottle green border, a beautiful border, and the body is completely self weaved, self embossed design. It's a very intricate weaving pattern, very beautiful one, an embossed pattern weaving in the crepe material. And this is the pallu of the saree, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and you have border also. So this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1760. This is a beautiful peacock blue with a pink color combination. Both the sides we have a zari border, and the body is completely a self weaved beautiful one. You have a dual tone shade, very pretty saree this is. So this is how the saree looks, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is going to be a very class blouse, contrasting one in pink. So this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1760. This is such a wow saree, lovely pink, a dual tone with pink and orange mixed saree, and the border is in peacock blue. Very beautiful design, and you could see a self weaving running along the body. These are all more of party wear sarees, very flowy material. This is the pallu of the saree, and for all these sarees the rich part of the saree is the blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1760. This is such a lovely combination, light green with a pink combination. You could see how beautifully it's weaved. The saree is completely weaved design, so even you could see the back, it will not prick, nothing. The threads are all very beautifully weaved, nothing will come off. Very beautiful saree in dual tone shade. The pallu of the saree is this. The saree by itself will look really grand and rich, and the blouse is such a class blouse, all very contrasting blouse. So this is the blouse of the saree. You will have borders, so I'll show you like this, and this is how it looks, and the price of the saree is 1760. This is a very lovely peacock blue and green mixed shade of dual tone with a pink color border. You could see a closer look of the border, and the beautiful weaving running along the body. It looks really class and very pretty. And the pallu of the saree is this, and such a lovely contrasting blouse for this saree in pink. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1760. This is a beautiful maroon with green color combination contrasting saree. Lovely pattern, the crepe silk with beautiful jacquard weaving. Both the sides we have a golden border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful weaving. And the pallu of the saree is this, very beautiful contrasting blouse for these sarees. This is the blouse of the saree, all Very beautiful Banarasi weave blouses for this, and the price of the sari is 1760. This is such a lovely combination, a very stunning combination, a peachish pink, beautiful combo with a contrasting border, golden zari border on both the sides, and the body is completely self weaved with pink and orange mixed shade, dual tone shades all. So the sari will have a beautiful shine in it when you wear for some functions or parties. These saris will look really class apart. And this is the pallu. And the highlight for these saris are the Banarasi weave saris. Sorry, blouses. Beautiful blouse. This is how it looks. And the price of the sari is 1760. This is a beautiful chiffon sari with a very dual tone shades. You could see the colors. I'll show you that. Both the sides we have a zari border, and inside the sari also you will have a small lining, a shimmer lining given inside the sari, and the shades of the sari will be very different. Light and dark will be there. So the sari looks really class and very beautiful. These saris are. And the highlight of this sari is going to be the blouse, a stunning blouse. See, it's going to be very different. For each saris is going to be very different blouse. So this is the body part of the blouse for this sari, and for the sleeves you are going to have a lovely design. This is going to be the sleeve with small butta works. For both the sleeves you have that design. So this is how it's going to be, really class, very beautiful. And the price of this sari is 1520. A very beautiful maroon color chiffon sari with a lovely shade. The material is a beautiful metal chiffon with both the sides zari border, and inside the body we have a beautiful shimmer. Looks really class, very pretty shade, beautiful one. And this is the pallu of the sari, and a pretty blouse for this. That's the highlight of these saris. The back part of the neck is going to be with stoneworks like this, very beautiful one. And in the front part you have a different neck work which is being given, so it's more like a high neck pattern. You can stitch these blouses. You have the work like this, and the sleeve you have a beautiful Banarasi sleeve for this with borders on it. And the price of this sari is 1520. A very beautiful mehendi green color chiffon sari with a contrasting border, and throughout the body also we have a small shimmer line. Very class, beautiful sari. This sari looks a very pretty party wear saris. And this is the pallu. And now comes the very beautiful part for these sari. Okay, I'll show you how it's going to come. This stone work is going to be in the back part of the sari, and this design will come in the front part of the neck. Like it will be like this. It will come in the front part. And this design is going to be the sleeve. So the sleeve is going to be like this. It's a mid-length sleeve, so you can have a long sleeve also. Very beautiful, different pattern this blouses are. And the price of this sari is 1520. Such a beautiful purple color chiffon sari with a nice, it's a metal chiffon. You have zari borders on both the sides. Lovely shimmer design running along the body. The color is a very classy color. It's a dual tone of purple and violet mix. This is the pallu of the sari, and again the class part of the sari is going to be the blouse. All the blouses are just awesome, beautiful work is being done. This design you are going to have it in the front. In the neck on the side you will have this stone work, and on the back you will have this design. So both the sides you have the design, and the sleeve you have a Banarasi sleeve for this sari. Very pretty one. It will look really pretty when you wear it. And the price of this sari is 1520. Such a beautiful color, peacock green shade in the chiffon sari with a beautiful lining in it. Looks really class, and we have zari borders on both the sides. Very pretty one. Looks really grand and rich. And this is the pallu of the sari. And now comes the classy part of this sari, a very pretty blouse. So this is going to be the back part. You will have stoneworks in the back, and in the front part you will have this stonework. So if you stitch a beautiful boat neck or a high neck, you will get the design in the front. So it will look really class. And this is the sleeve is in Banarasi sleeve, so it's going to look the sari will look really very different and looks really classy for any party wears and all. And the price of the sari is 1520. A very beautiful mustard with a brown color combo, lovely shade, got a really class combinations these saris are. Both the sides a beautiful zari border, you could see the border, and throughout the body it's a chiffon sari with small lines on it, beautiful one, shimmer lines. And this is the pallu, and a very beautiful blouse for this too. So yeah, this is how it's going to be. I'm showing you the blouses very slowly so that you could see the designs. So the back part of the blouse is going to have these stone works, and the front part you will have a beautiful neck work like this, very beautiful one. So when you go for high neck and all, it'll be very pretty. And the sleeve, you're going to have Banarasi weaved sleeve for this. This is going to be the sleeve, and the price of this sari is 1500. Such a beautiful rust color chiffon sari, such a class piece. It looks so gorgeous. Both the sides is zari border with a beautiful silver lining throughout the sari. So it's like giving one beautiful shine. And the pallu of the sari is this, the class part of the sari, the blouse. For this sari, the sleeves are given with stone work. This stone work is going to be in the sleeve. For both the sleeves you have the stone work, and the body is going to be a Banarasi weaved body. So it's going to be like this, and the price of the sari is 1520. This is such a beautiful brown color chiffon sari. On both the sides we have a zari border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful shimmer. Looks really pretty. The colors are all dual tone shades, so you have light tinge of violet in the brown. When you see it, I'm not sure whether you could see that beautiful color in the video, but it's very beautiful. So this is the pallu of the sari, and the class part of the sari is the blouse. These saris you don't need to work much on it. So this is going to be the front part of the front. You have this beautiful design. It's going to be like this. In the front part you have the stone work, and the back is going to be like this. Very pretty work on the back. And the sleeves, you're going to have a beautiful Banarasi weaves sleeve. It's going to be like this, very pretty one. And the price of the sari is 1520. This is such a beautiful color, a light wine shade color, very beautiful one. Golden zari on both the sides, and throughout the body it's a beautiful shimmer design running along the body. A very classy chiffon sari. And the pallu of the sari is this, the beauty part of the sari, the blouses. So this is the blouse. The back side you have a beautiful stone work, and on the front side of the neck you will have a lovely design on the front side. So this is how the stone work is going to be on the front. And the pallu, and for the sleeve you have a beautiful Banarasi sleeve, and the price of this sari is 1520. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.